It's Friday, December 9th, and I'm glad to be open. Happy day. I wanted to tell you, I wanted to remind you what's still available for the Happy Holidays tonight. This is available, the Cocoa Knits Maker's Bracelet. And it is this one is in Robin's Egg Blue, and it snaps on your wrist, and these stick just like that because it's an amazing magnet. It's perfect for your seamstress buddies, for yourself, for whatever. It's awesome. Then tomorrow morning, 5 in the morning, you can get the Cocoa Knits ruler and gauge, which I told you about last night, which go really well on the maker's board, right? So these are magnets as well. They stick to that maker's board. You have a ruler and a needle gauge. Awesome. So that is tomorrow's, okay? 10% off, $17. So that is tomorrow's, so don't miss out. Now, there is also one coming up on Sunday, but we're not open on Sundays, so you can buy it online, or if you prefer, you can order it Saturday for Sunday or Monday for the past Sunday, okay? That's the way we're gonna handle that. All right, I wanna tell you that Wow and Bergen are on sale. These are bulky yarns, perfect one skein hat project. Boom, you can get 2 or 3 done way before Christmas. All right, so the Wow Chunky is by Katia, and it is 75% acrylic, 15 wool, and 10% alpaca. Lovely, chunky, amazing neon colors: lime green, orange, aqua, teal, and hot pink. And to go on that, why not a fox pom-pom? Of course. Fabulous. All right, and then the Bergen is also on sale by Lang. It's on sale, I'm sorry, it was $23. It's $17.25. I didn't tell you about this. This was $14.95. It is $11.21. Okay? Such a deal. $11.21? You can't buy a hat for $11. All right. So the Bergen is 93% alpaca and 7% polyester or nylon. So here we go. Puffy. It's a cable construction, so lovely and puffy. So we've got the lime green, the purple and blue, the blue and green. I'm sorry about my little coffee cough. The blue and yellow, and the orange and yellow. So what about that for a pom-pom? What? Amazing. Or the blue and yellow. So fun. And then the royal blue. Great on the blue and green. Great on the blue and pink. I'm telling you, I got you all set. Just quick knits, wrap them up, give them for Christmas. You'll be on your way. Perfect. Love it. Love to check those boxes, right? All right. I don't know if I'll see you tomorrow or not. I'm supposed to take my granddaughter and daughter to the Nutcracker, and they just texted me and said that Vivi might be under the weather. So she would let me know in the morning. So if there's no Vivi, then there'll be no Nutcracker. I don't think I'll go up there and watch it by myself. So I will either see you tomorrow or I'll see you Monday. Have a great night.